The more obvious the atomization effect of cavitation, the better the shaping effect. As an authoritative brand of cavitation, myChway can tell you that the atomization effect of cavitation has nothing to do with the intensity of cavitation. The effect of cavitation depends on the frequency and power of the handle. Different frequencies can reach different depths of fat layers, and different powers represent different amounts of energy. Those businesses on the market that use simple water drop atomization tests to illustrate the energy of cavitation are misleading the public. myChway has been researching cavitation technology for more than 10 years and currently has machines with different frequencies including 30K, 40K, 50K, 80K, etc. There are also cavitation options with different energy strengths. If you are a beginner and want to know more about cavitation machines, you can consult myChway customer service staff first to answer questions about cavitation. If you are a professional beautician, then I believe you must have chosen myChway. If you want to know more about cavitation machines, please leave a message below the video.